AutoResume AI is one of the latest AI tools that's making waves, and in this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're a job seeker looking to automate your resume process, or someone who simply wants to know how this AI can streamline your career journey, you'll want to stick around for this detailed review. Trust me, you'll want to know everything about AutoResume AI before diving in. First off, the most impressive feature of AutoResume AI is its ability to generate highly professional, tailored resumes in just a few clicks. Gone are the days of spending hours customizing resumes for different job applications. With AutoResume AI, you can input your career details, and the software will craft a resume that not only looks polished, but is also optimized for applicant tracking systems, ATS. This is huge, because a well-optimized resume can make the difference between getting noticed or being overlooked by recruiters. Now, let's talk about the accuracy of the resume creation process. AutoResume AI uses advanced natural language processing algorithms that analyze job descriptions and match them with your experience and skills. This ensures that the resume you get is highly relevant to the position you're applying for. Unlike other tools that might spit out generic resumes, AutoResume AI's smart features allow for dynamic adjustments based on specific roles and industries. But what really sets AutoResume AI apart is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, you'll find it simple to use. It's all about efficiency. Just input your basic details and let the AI work its magic. And what's even better is that the tool offers several customization options. You're not locked into one template. You can modify your resume based on different styles, from formal to creative, depending on the job you're targeting. Another thing worth mentioning is how AutoResume AI helps you with cover letters. It can generate personalized cover letters that complement your resume perfectly. Just like with the resumes, it tailors them to specific job descriptions. This feature alone can save you hours of effort and make your job application process significantly faster and smoother. One major selling point is how fast this software is. While many resume builders can take ages to load or require a long learning curve, AutoResume AI does everything in seconds. It's a no-fuss, fast solution for anyone looking to streamline the application process and get their job materials in tip-top shape quickly. Now, the pricing model is another key aspect to consider. AutoResume AI offers a completely free version, which is fantastic for anyone looking to test out the software before committing to anything. The free plan is fully functional, but of course, if you want access to premium features like unlimited resume templates, advanced customization, and priority customer support, you can upgrade to the paid version. But honestly, for the vast majority of users, the free version is more than enough to get started. I'd also recommend checking out the link in the description below for a free trial. This way, you can test AutoResume AI without any commitment and see firsthand how it can speed up your job application process. But if you're already sold, you can dive straight into the full version after giving it a try. Finally, let me just say, after trying thousands of AI tools for various needs, AutoResume AI stands out for its ability to simplify a critical task that we all need: getting noticed by employers. It's a tool that removes all the guesswork and gives you exactly what you need to stand out in the competitive job market. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that I've also got a list of other AI tools I recommend for free trials in the description. These are my personal go-to tools after testing out hundreds of options, and I truly believe they can help you in your professional journey. That's it for today's AutoResume AI review. Make sure to give it a try from the link below and let me know what you think. I'm always here to share the latest and best AI software to help you level up your career.